For some, life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle. They'll get lost along the way. As for me, my life is like a journey. I could talk about that all day, but I'm giving thanks to God for life. I live to see another day. Some don't tell them precisely. It's Amaziah the Great, aka Craig Kirkland. And right about now, please do remember go check my book out on Amazon. Don't Cry. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Support it to the fullest. And know say, our next Ghetto Youth dep on the rise to progress with positive word sounds, positive energy, positive vibration. And this is just to tell the youth them say, no matter what go on, no matter how rough life seems, never stop, aim high towards a dream. Tell them precisely, we say great way is the gateway, while the sunshine we make air. Yeah man.